Want to make life-changing money on YouTube this year? No filming, no crazy edits, just pure profits. From faceless channels pulling in 6 figures a month to genius niche ideas no one is talking about. Here are 35 YouTube channel ideas that can make you rich. Let's dive in. So what are the 35 high-earning YouTube channel ideas? These high-earning YouTube channel ideas are based on strong monetization potential through AdSense, sponsorships, digital products, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. And so I'll look at them section by section. The first section I want to look at is number 1, finance and money. It's a high CPM niche. Finance and money is a high CPM niche. And under finance and money, you can look at passive income experiments. That is, you test side hustles and online income streams. The second subdivision under finance and money is investing for beginners, where you talk about stocks, crypto, and real estate breakdowns. The third subdivision under finance and money, which is a high CPM niche, is millionaire case studies, where you analyze how people built wealth. The fourth subdivision under finance and money is AI and automation for money. AI business models and automation strategies. That's basically what you're going to be talking about there. And then the fifth subdivision under finance and money is money challenges, where you talk about 0 to 10,000 challenges with real results, where you are transparent and you show people what you actually did to get the results from the challenge. Okay, so now let's move to the second section, which is business and entrepreneurship. Business and entrepreneurship. And under business and entrepreneurship, we have 5 subdivisions. The first subdivision is faceless YouTube automation, where you document faceless channel growth and earnings. The second subdivision is e-commerce case studies, where you build AI powered drop shipping and POD brands. POD basically means print on demand. And so under e-commerce case studies, you're going to build AI-powered drop shipping and POD brands. The third subdivision under business and entrepreneurship is startup breakdowns, where you talk about reverse engineering how businesses succeed, where you reverse engineering how businesses succeed. And then the fourth subdivision under business and entrepreneurship is AI tools for entrepreneurs, where you showcase productivity and automation tools. And then the fifth subdivision under business and entrepreneurship is high ticket sales and consulting, where you teach premium service and coaching strategies. Now the third section of under the 35 high earning YouTube channel ideas are tech and AI, and these niches are trending and monetizable. These niches are trending and monetizable, tech and AI. And under tech and AI, we have 5 subdivisions. The first subdivision is AI money-making tutorials, where you show how AI tools generate income. The second subdivision is latest AI tools reviews, where you cover trending AI software and gadgets. The third subdivision under tech and AI is tech business models, where you explore how tech startups grow and scale. Now the fourth subdivision under tech and AI is AI content automation, where you automate social media and YouTube growth. The last but not the least under tech and AI is productivity hacks with AI, where you talk about AI tools for efficiency and business growth. Now the fourth section, when it comes to 35 high earning YouTube channel ideas, is social media growth and marketing. And under social media growth and marketing, we have 5 subdivisions. The first subdivision is viral TikTok case studies, where you analyze trends and growth strategies. The second subdivision is Instagram business monetization, where you sell with Instagram and personal branding. The third subdivision is content automation and AI tools, where you sell content creation with AI. The fourth subdivision is YouTube growth hacks, where you talk about strategies for going viral and monetizing. And last but not the least, you talk about personal brand monetization. That is the fifth subdivision, and where you talk about how influencers turn followers into money. Now, the fifth section under the 35 high earning YouTube channel ideas is luxury and high ticket content. And under luxury and high ticket content, we have 5 subdivisions. And the first subdivision is millionaire routines and habits, where you document wealthy people's lifestyles. The second subdivision is business class and private jet reviews, where you talk about high-end travel experiences. The third subdivision is supercar and hypercar content, where you talk about luxury car reviews and ownership costs. The fourth subdivision under the luxury and high ticket content is real estate and mansion tours, where you talk about high ticket properties and real estate investing. Where you talk about high ticket properties and real estate investing. And the fifth subdivision under luxury and high ticket content is luxury watches and jewelry, where you cover investment grade watches and collectibles. Now, the sixth section under the 35 high earning YouTube channel ideas is health and improvement. And health and improvement is an evergreen and high engagement niche. And under it, we have 5 subdivisions. We have the first subdivision as biohacking and longevity, where you cover supplements, fasting, and wellness tech. And then the second subdivision is high performance productivity, where you talk about routines and tools for peak performance. And the third subdivision under the health and self-improvement niche is the gym and fitness business models, where you talk about how to monetize fitness and coaching. And then the fourth subdivision is mental health and mindsets for success, where you talk about psychology-based self-improvement. And then the last but not the least subdivision under the health and self-improvement niche is the NoFap and dopamine detox challenges, where you talk about personal transformation experiments. And the seventh section for the 35 high earning YouTube channel ideas is high ticket travel and adventure. High ticket travel and adventure. So under it, we have 5 subdivisions as we did for the other sections. And then the first subdivision is luxury travel hacks, where you talk about business class, 5-star hotels, and VIP experiences. And then the second subdivision is the digital nomad lifestyle, where you talk about traveling while building passive income. The third subdivision under the high ticket travel and adventure is first class flight reviews, where you experience premium travel and private jets and you talk about them. And then the fourth subdivision under the high ticket travel and adventure is expensive food and dining reviews, where you talk about high-end restaurants and culinary experiences. And the fifth subdivision under the high ticket travel and adventure is extreme experiences and challenges, where you talk about skydiving, exotic adventures, and even more. Now, which of these ideas excites or interests you the most? Let me know in the comments, and also do not forget to share this video with a friend who needs it, and also subscribe to this channel because we've got loads of valuable videos coming up.